Hello and welcome to Crazy Town. I am your mayor, Minister Danielle K. Anderson, and here we speak about spirituality, self-improvement, and stuff I like. In this video, we are continuing our study of divination with playing cards by looking at the Nine of Clubs. In this system, the Nine of Clubs is called the Achiever, and it's considered a card of contentment. When you see it, you can be assured that progress is definitely being made. Plans and ideas are being put into action, and some things that have been started before are now coming to completion. When it comes to a job, you should see more improvement like a raise, a promotion with higher responsibility, or even some travel. That's all for now on the Nine of Clubs. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, as always, make sure to give it a like. If you have any questions, go ahead and put them in the comment section down below. And if this is your first time in Crazy Town, welcome again. You can become a citizen by subscribing and make sure to click the bell to be notified when the next video comes out. Here are some other videos that I've done on the channel. Feel free to check those out. Also, if you're interested in having a card reading done by me, you can text me if you're in the US or visit my website for more information. Also connect with me on all the social medias. Information is in the description down below. Until next time, I'll see you in the cards.